To create your own DIY and craft supplies website for free using squarespace.com. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create your own website for free using Squarespace platform. So let's get started. By pressing the button of getting started, we can browse through a wide range of templates, and you can choose a pre-made template that will help us build our own website. So you can just drag and drop some sections or some blocks, and we can also change the logo, change some text, and then we will have our website ready for going public. So here we have the filters, so you can filter by the type of your website, if it's a blog or an online store or a portfolio, and you can also filter by the topic, if you are in the niche fashion or the traveling fashion or the restaurants, media and podcasts. So we have a lot of niches or templates that are designed for particular niches. So let's see if we can find our niche, which is DIY and craft supplies. So I don't seem to see them in here. So let's just scroll down and let's see what are the templates that we have in the platform so that we can use them. So here we have the blank template for those who love to build their own website from scratch, and we have here the pre-made templates for those who don't want to waste their time and for those who want to save their time and just work with a pre-made template. So let's see what are all the templates that we have. Let's see if we can find one that is related to our niche, or a one that we can just adjust and it will be good for our niche. So I think I'm going to go with this one, which is about designs, but I'm just going to scroll back to see. I'm going to use this one, which is the Ventura template. So let's just click on view preview Ventura, which is the name of the template. Then we click on view demo site to see the website in full width. So this is our website. So we can just scroll down to see how the template looks. So I think this is a pretty decent template. So I'm just going to close this tab and click on start this design, and here we wait for them to set things up for us. Then they will request us to give them a title for our website. So you can always skip this step, but for me I'm going to give it a title to differentiate between my websites, because you can create multiple websites using Squarespace platform, and to avoid getting mixed between your websites, just for everyone give it a name. You can just type the name of your niche and everything will be organized. So here we wait for the website to fully load, then we can click on my Squarespace site and type in our title. So you just give it some more seconds and it will be good to go in seconds. So guys, just be patient with the platform. Sometimes it can be laggy, but that's okay because of the privileges that the platform offers. We can just be patient with the platform for our own good. So here it's still loading, so I think it will be ready in seconds. So here it is, it's loaded up. So let's type in our niche, which is DIY and craft supplies, and then hit continue. Then you close these tabs because we don't need them anymore. And here in your left we have a variety of sections that I'm going to explain each one of them right now. So let's dive into it. Let's start with website, which is where you can add pages or create new pages or change the ones that you already have. You can delete them or adjust these pages. So let's go back and let's proceed to the next section, which is commerce, and it's where you can add products or change the ones that you already have. Also, you can change the ways that you want to get paid with. You can also choose if you want to get paid with subscriptions, or you can manage your orders, inventory, customers, and discounts. So let's go back to home and let's proceed to the third section, which is marketing. So it's pretty obvious for the name. It's everything that is related to growing your audience. You can manage your email campaigns, your profiles, SEO appearance, and your pixels and ads from this section. And here we have the scheduling section. It's obviously for the people in the services business or in the consulting or in some like the lawyers or psychiatrists. Then we have the asset library, where we can save our files or images to use them in designing our template or in changing these pictures. And then we have the analytics section, where you can see your dashboard, your conversion rate, your revenue, your sales, your units sold, your AOV, your RPV, and also you can see your traffic, your geography. So you can pretty much see everything that is related to your store in the analytics section. Here we have the profiles, where you can manage the profiles of your clients or your audience. And last but not least, we have the settings section. It's where you can set up your domains if you didn't set them before. You can set your Google Workspace. You can change the site's availability from private to public. You can also change the permissions, site languages, and you can also set up your store payments by clicking on store payments. You can add your Stripe account, PayPal, or your Square account if you are from the United States. You can also change your currency. So let's go back and let's proceed to the next step, which is the editing step. So by clicking on edit, you can change everything in your template, starting from the logo or the headline to the footer. So you can pretty much adjust all those things. So that's it for today's video, guys. I just wanted to give you an idea about how this platform works. So I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends.